Can you solve this problem? Here we're given an array of integers whenever the user calls this function. We have to return an array with two elements. The first element is the count of positive numbers, and the second element is the sum of negative numbers. 0 here counts as neither positive or negative, and if the input is in an empty array or is null, we have to return an empty array. So we're going to start by declaring and instantiating two variables. The first one is positive, the second one is negative, and we're just going to set them at 0. The next thing we're going to do is create a for loop. So for number in array is just the array we're given here. What we're going to do is this. If the number is larger than 0, we're going to take positive and we're going to plus 1 right here. Okay. And the second half here is else. What we're going to do is else negative plus equals not 1, but the actual number over here. Now normally I'd make this elif because I wouldn't want to include 0, but because this is the sum, even if we do plus 1 the number, if it's 0, it doesn't change the total sum. So I don't mind doing that. So we can just leave this as else. And so now what we want to do is the return statement, and this one's a little bit interesting. So we're going to return an array of the positive and then the negative, but only if the length of the array is true. So this is only going to be true if it's longer than 0, I'm pretty sure. And if it's not longer than 0, then we just return an empty array. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let me go ahead and test over here. And as you can see, it passes the test.